Welcome to a telecommunications closet. Telecommunication closets are part of a structured cabling system. Today we're going to highlight some of the key elements found in a typical telecommunications closet. Let's take a look at vertical cabling. Vertical cabling is cabling that ties together telecommunications closets in one building or between multiple buildings. Vertical cabling here can be seen entering into the telecommunications closet through a 4-inch conduit. The type of cabling used in this case is fiber optic cable. Here's a look at a patch cable plugged into an RJ45 jack in the front of a patch panel. This makes up an important part of horizontal cabling. Here are two Cisco switches. The first switch, a Catalyst 4912G, connects multiple closets in this building together. Each port here is a fiber optic port, and this switch serves as an aggregation switch for the entire building. The second switch, a Catalyst 5509, supports users in the immediate vicinity, also known as the catchment area. This port features numerous blades or modules containing copper RJ45 jacks. Patch cables from our patch panel plug into each of the RJ45 jacks in this switch. I'm going to now point out to you a 19-inch distribution rack. Distribution racks are used to mount various types of internetworking equipment such as switches, routers, and hubs in a telecommunications closet. Distribution racks are also used to mount patch panels and light interface units, which are used with fiber optic technology. Just above this 19-inch rack, we have an 18-inch ladder rack. Ladder racks are used to support cable, including copper and fiber optic cabling, in a telecommunications closet. Mounted to our 19-inch distribution rack is a light interface unit. Light interface units, or LIUs, are used to terminate fiber optic cable. Shown here is two types of fiber optic cabling. The orange fiber optic cable is multi-mode fiber. The yellow would be single mode. The front of the LIU, shown at this time, allows us to connect fiber optic patch cables to the LIU. These patch cables then are connected into Cisco switches to allow multiple areas within a building to be networked together. Here's the back of our light interface unit, or LIU. As you can see, many strands of fiber optic cable have been terminated. Here we see a service loop used for our fiber optic cabling. Fiber optic cabling is part of the backbone or vertical cabling used in the building. Depicted here is a grounding plate with 6-gauge green grounding wire. Grounding in a telecommunications closet is an important safety feature. Now we're looking at the back of a patch panel. As you can see, individual horizontal cabling runs from end-user workstation areas have been terminated with a 110 punch-down tool. Shown here is a telephone point of presence for the building. We've brought in 900 pairs of telephone cable, which is terminated in this installation. The installation is fused and grounded for extra protection of our telephone facility. Cross-connected to this termination area, we have cabling that allows users within the catchment area to connect their telephone to the main telephone system used on the campus. Hopefully now you're more familiar with some of the key components found in a telecommunications closet. These components are further discussed in your Cisco CCNA curriculum.